Things are starting to fill up over on the other side of the fence over there. An event for the weekend. Over there is a stage where they're going to be playing some music. Got the solar set up there. Just set the awning up. To fill in at the old down here at Vanlife. Big. Absolutely. It's going to be a beautiful day. So you can see I got the audience. There's a couple hundred bands here. Eventually. Side of a bus is hanging down. That's so cool. Wow. I know there's a whole pile of them over there. Absolutely. I'm so happy to have that. Got the old panel, taking in some solar power here this morning. Got that fold down panel on the bottom. See how many camper vans are here. Alright, day 2 here. Man, there is a lot of people here now. Different setups here at Vanlife. Some beautiful having coffee, breakfast with some veggies. Hanging out here at VanFest. Goldie. A lot of people have showed up, man. Get our So, who are you guys and where are you? Wonderful. Thank you guys very much. We appreciate it. And you guys have a beautiful day. Come over and grab some footage of your van. How are you? Are you good? On top, don't you? How much solar do you have? To having a battery bank, have a YouTube channel or anything you'd like to share with anybody? That's super handy having that pull out.